Pavilions was fucking packed last night, dude.
It wasn't even very catchy weekend.
It was probably busier than last Saturday. It was like incredibly insane. Big man said he was gonna build a truck, and he's doing it. Proud of this guy. This is what it is. On your mind, dirty, either way we're walking on the tower. Dipping cow, tipping, whiskey, sipping, fucking with me, boxing out.
Call this Minitruck Sunday.
Dipping too much grit, call it friend. If I talk, you know they listen. I'm a legend, and what's seven, the most.
That's typically what happens when people start. They want to move too fast and jump all over the place. He's doing stuff. Teamwork makes the dream work. That thing mobs hard with the black windows and the fucking stocks. Shit looks so gangster. That's it. It's officially mini nats or bust time. If you've been following the channel or my Instagram and all, you know, mini nats is happening this year, so I figure we've got roughly like 60 days. So to get to work. We've got a lot of work to do. Down there, and there's a friggin' like white truck. It looks like a cop. It's just the city of Scottsdale, but it looks like a cop. It has like a low profile.
Oh yeah.